Alright guys, welcome back. Gotta go move the car. Monkey. Gotta go move the car because Jarrod's impatient and wants to remove this busted old grandma seat out. So I gotta go move the car so we have more room to work with. Otherwise, he wasn't even gonna let me make a video. So let's get to moving. How to undo bolt here, undo bolt there, 2 bolts back here. We'll get to it. Alright, so we need a size 14.
Excessive. Make sure it's excessive as fuck.
If not, then it's not good enough. Why are we doing this by hand when we got power tools?
I don't know. That takes too long.
It takes too long? Where are you taking longer? Make sure you pop the tabs off, otherwise you won't be able to get to the bolt.
You know, I just noticed it's different over this one than the 33.
It's an actual bolt on this one instead of reverse.
Yeah, it's a fucking stud on the 32 with a nut on it.
Or this is an actual fucking full-on bolt. Alright, now let's pull this bitch out. Alright, when you pull this out, make sure you lift and twist with a jerking motion.
You got change, you got R33, you got 19 spots to put your chain.
Cling! Cling, cling! Cling, 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 cling! I'm a piece of shit, so I did not record that for you guys. Step 25, vape. Step 26, apply this to the driver's side seat. See if I can find somewhere to put this so you guys can look at me. Look at me. Step every step. Make sure you use a power tool. Make life easy. All I have to do is go. Huh? Supposed to be in between it. Just pull. See if you pull the. Just pull the rug out. It's supposed to be in between it.
That was kind of a joke.
Was it though? I don't think so. Second to last step. Adjust.
Look out first. Okay.
Of course, I'm gonna let you get out. He was never in. Boy, you sit this far back, man. My toes barely touch. I ain't hitting the clutch.
Let's see where you would have to sit. That's too close.
For you or me?
Me.
I was about to say that's probably not even nowhere near
Alright,
close.
this is where I would sit.
So one click forward.
Yep.
I still barely reach. I can't live like this. There we go. Perfect reach. I can still stick my hand over the steering wheel.
And he's so short I can get in the back seat without having to fold it forward. No, just kidding.
Oh, I thought you were really gonna attempt this. Step 6. Sit in the seat and say it's a lot comfortable than that thing. This is Jarrod trying to sit in the seat while in my position.
I can
He can turn signal.
turn the blinker on.
You can turn the wipers too.
Yeah, I can't turn it off. That feels like I break it. Oh, there we go. Wipers on. Can't push the clutch with gas.
Old seat is out. It doesn't look bad for an old seat. It's a little sun fading and stuff, but now I just need to find a place for it. Might turn it into an actual like gaming seat. Let me know what you guys think about the new seat down below. Also like, comment, subscribe. Series 2 R33 GTR seat, even though I have a Series 1 GTst. This is what it looks like, guys. And this is what it looks like from the front. It's gonna be hard to see with the glare. Yeah.